In this video, let's take a look at wireless game controller for PC. You can find this in Amazon for under $15. Let's do unboxing first. This particular controller don't have Bluetooth, but it does have wireless connection using USB dongle. First thing is to use USB cable to charge the controller. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with USB power plug. You can connect to your PC by connecting with USB cable or wireless by using USB dongle. Once connected, PC does the rest. When you connect to your PC, Windows recognizes as Xbox controller. Thanks for watching. Please support this channel by click like and subscribe.